I got to marry my wife, and our pupper was our flower girl. 2.5 years ago, this wouldn't have even been possible. It wasn't legal in Australia yet. Marriage equality wasn't a given. It was something people had to fight tooth and nail for. And even though it rained the entire wedding day, buckets of rain, absolute chaos, it didn't matter. We got stunning photos. We got our family. We got to stand there, soaking wet and laughing, knowing we were finally allowed to exist like this, openly and fully. It was everything. OP, this looks absolutely magical, like something straight out of a fairy tale. Honestly, the rain just made it feel more powerful, like the sky had to cry a little too. I forgot homophobia was a thing for like 5 seconds and genuinely sat here wondering why it was ever illegal to have a dog as a flower girl. Then my brain rebooted. Oh, right, not the dog, the people. Still absurd.